What's up, folks? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we've got something seriously exciting to talk about. The 2023 Cadillac Escalade V-Series. And let me tell you, this thing is big in every single way imaginable. If you're into luxury, power, and a whole lot of swagger, you're gonna want to stick around for this one. So, hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you don't miss any of the good stuff we've got coming your way. Alright, let's dive into it. Now, when I say this Escalade is big, I mean it in the most impressive way possible. This thing is an absolute head-turner. The bold lines, the iconic front grille, those unmistakable vertical LED headlights, you can spot this beauty from a mile away. And the V-Series takes it up a notch with some exclusive styling touches that just scream performance and sophistication. Alright, now let's talk about what's lurking under that massive hood. The Escalade V-Series packs a serious punch with its beastly powertrain. We're talking a monstrous V8 engine that roars to life with over 600 horsepower. This thing can go from 0 to 60 in a blink and you'll miss it time. Whether you're merging onto the freeway or simply enjoying an open road, you're gonna feel the thrill. Step inside, my friends, and you're greeted with a level of luxury that's beyond comprehension. Premium leather, high-end materials, and attention to detail that's just mind-boggling. The cabin is as spacious as it gets, with more legroom than you'd ever need. And let's not forget about the tech. A massive infotainment display, cutting-edge connectivity, and enough gadgets to make James Bond jealous. Driving the Escalade V-Series is an experience in itself. Despite its size, this SUV handles surprisingly well. The adaptive suspension keeps things smooth, even on less than ideal roads. And don't get me started on the driver assistance features. This thing practically drives itself. Whether you're cruising through the city or taking a long road trip, the Escalade has you covered. Alright, folks, it's time to wrap things up. The 2023 Cadillac Escalade V-Series is an absolute powerhouse that combines luxury, performance, and that undeniable Cadillac flair. If you're looking for a ride that's not just a vehicle, but a statement, this is it. So, here's the deal. If you're as hyped about the Escalade V-Series as I am, hit that like button to show some love. And hey, if you're ready to make jaws drop and turn envy into an art form, why not consider subscribing? We've got plenty more automotive awesomeness headed your way. Until next time, keep it classy and keep those engines roaring.